you doing? I hope you're having an amazing day. So we have a new box to open here on our channel, and it's called Good Vibes Scribe, and it says on here, sending you good vibes only. I love that. I'm all about the positive vibes, good vibes. Look how cute this box is too. Makes me feel positive, like looking at it. So cute. It got a little smushed during transit, but I think it is okay. There is the side of it, so not bad. We've seen a lot worse on my channel. Sometimes boxes come really damaged, but I am so excited to see what is in here. I love just the name of it in general, but since this is a new subscription, I'm gonna pull up some information so we can learn more about it. Since it is new to me, it may be new to you as well. But before we dig into all the info and the unboxing portion of the video, I just want to remind you all that I do have some giveaways going on. They're ending pretty soon, so if you have not yet entered, I have 2 beauty giveaways going on until the 20th. They're open international, so those will be linked down below. Of course, I will link this box below too if you're interested, but let's dig into the information. So what is Good Vibes Scribe? So I just pulled up their website. This is a box that's available on Cratejoy, which I love. Oh my god, no, Archer! My cat's eating my plant behind me. Get down, baby. No, don't be a bad boy. Get down. Naughty cat trying to eat my plants. The plants are dying back there, poor. But anyways, so they're on Cratejoy. I love Cratejoy so much. If you don't know what Cratejoy is, seriously, if you like subscription boxes, gotta check it out. But so Good Vibes Scribe, every month you can expect a monthly dose of good vibes to be delivered directly to your doorstep. So it looks like plans start at $31.50. Your box will ship on the 20th of each month starting in September. Orders will need to be placed by the 26th of the current month in order to receive the next month's box. This does ship worldwide from the US, so awesome. You can cancel at any time. And each box will feature 5 full-size items, including unique goods handmade by artisans around the country. All products featured in our boxes have been handpicked by us with our fabulous subscribers in mind. We are so excited about our venture and can't wait to welcome you to the tribe. So categories of products that may be featured are bath, body, accessories, home, decor, seasonal, and essentials. Awesome. So let's see. Oh, this is something I wanted to share with you because I think it is amazing. When I was emailing back and forth with one of the founders, they told me that in October, they are donating 100% of proceeds to Hurricane Dorian reliefs. I think that is amazing. So if you subscribe now, you'll get the October box, and all of their profits for the October box are going to hurricane relief, and I think that is so great. 100%. Like, I don't know how they can pull it up, but that is amazing. So not only is this box all about good vibes, but you can get even better, more positive vibes by knowing that like your purchase is going to something so amazing. It looks like they also gave me a promo code too that's kittyboxes10. I'm guessing that means like 10% off or something like that, so I will leave all of that information down below. But I think we have enough information. But yeah, I'll link them down below and their social media handles, any promo codes, all that good stuff. Let's get unboxing. I can't wait to see what's in here. So welcome to the tribe. And there is a note on here. So it says September 2019 featured products overview. Every company and product created has a story. Peek inside and learn a little bit about these wonderful gifts you have just received. Awesome. I love when they give you information. So this is what it like looks like inside. So I will keep this to reference throughout. So awesome. The first thing I see is so bright and fun. Look at this. And it looks like there's a little tassel on the side for the zipper. Let me get this undone. Yeah, how fun. There's a little tassel zipper. So it looks like the same on each side. Zipper closure. This is the America and Beyond multicolored clutch. It looks like there's a little side pocket, a zipper pocket in there, and the inside's all like fun and colorful as well. So awesome. You can use this like as a purse, makeup bag, whatever you want to do. But let's Let's see the story behind this one. America and Beyond is a family-owned business that works directly with craftspeople in villages and small communities in India and provides them trade to give them sustainable independence. They design and manufacture in-house, source materials ethically, and are dedicated to delivering keepsake quality. They are passionate about connecting contemporary designs with a network of craftspeople, creating unique collections to be cherished. This unique handmade clutch is bohemian, inspired for a perfect holiday, beach, or festive look. This seriously is so bright and cheery. I love it. And I love that this box has stories behind it that makes me feel good, and of course the whole donation thing, amazing. But you know I love stuff like this if you follow my channel. But looks like there's some paper in here, probably about one of the products. I'm just gonna put this to the side for now. Ooh, it looks like we have some nice fancy soap. This is by 28 North Soaps. This is Mermaid. That's good. Let's get this out. Oh, this is beautiful. So here's what it looks like on the side and the top. It's all glittery, kind of looks like a wave. Can you guys see that detail? Awesome. It smells good too. Kind of has like a sea type scent, and so it smells like soap too, but not like in a bad way. So let's find. I mean, does soap ever smell in a bad way? I don't think so. So 28 North Mermaid Cold Processed Soap. 28 North is a family-owned business out of Kennedy, Texas. They have created a local, intoxicating natural line with organic and quality ingredients. They feature handmade products that were created with love and integrity, and we know you will love them as much as we do. Mermaids are real. They live in the ocean and use the soap to bathe. That's why there are bubbles when the tide comes in. Ocean mist, sea moss, and cedarwood are what the mermaids lend to make this soap soft and fragrant. To extend the life of your soap, keep it out of standing water by using a draining dish and out of direct sunlight. Note, no mermaids were harmed during the making of this product. Their cooperation was given willingly. Mermaids rule. I can totally get the sense of that. So they said ocean mist, sea moss, and cedarwood. Smells good and it's so pretty. I love stuff like this. Ooh, next up is something I'm super excited about because I use these all the time. I just actually was drinking my Starbucks using one of these. This is a glass drinking straw by Drinking Straws Glass. Choose to be plastic free, reusable cleaning brush included, a classic 9.5 millimeter diameter glass straw. That is awesome, with a lifetime guarantee. Handcrafted with love in the Pacific Northwest. Reusable and eco-friendly, wash before use. Let's get this out. I love stuff like this. Seriously, just little changes you make can be so positive for the world, like not using plastic straws for one. It might not seem like a lot, but it really does make a difference. So I love that they have a cleaning straw too. I have one of these already that I've been using for my straws, but it seems like it needs to be replaced, so this is perfect. And here it is, just a glass straw. Seriously, love these things. So let's learn about this. The Drinking Straws Glass LLC is a husband and wife team dedicated to providing an alternative to plastic straws in hopes for a healthier planet for our children and all future generations. Each of these handmade glass straws are carefully inspected for the highest quality before they are packaged from their home studio in the Pacific Northwest. They make each straw with love, knowing that you will use it daily. Materials for their packaging are eco-friendly, and the packages themselves can be repurposed as a bookmark. Oh, that's a good idea. They also help establishments go plastic straw free and offer reusable alternatives. The duo actually gives establishments looking to switch away from plastic straws free glass straws for in-house use under their ocean-friendly program. Glass drinking straws are an elegant and environmentally friendly way to enhance your dining experience. Plastic pollutes and contaminates our planet, food, water, and bodies. Make the switch to a healthy and toxin-free life both for yourself and our planet. Enjoy your glass drinking straw. Visit drinkingstrawsglass.glass to read about their lifetime guarantee. So excited about this. Next up, let's see what this is. It's in some bubble wrap. I think it's like coasters. Oh my god, these are beautiful. So these are coasters that say High Tides, Good Vibes. They each look like this. There's two of them. So pretty. Same look. Oh my god. And these look like they're made by Tipsy Coasters and Gifts, made in America. I think these are so pretty and I love the colors of them. Let's learn more about these. I guess I should hold one up when I talk about it. Oh yeah, it's a jellyfish on there. I didn't even think about it. The Tipsy Coasters Jellyfish High Blue Car Coasters. Oh, cool. I have some cat ones in mine right now, but I have more than 2 coasters, so I can use these. Awesome. These are actually really handy because you know how gross like in your, like where you keep your drinks in your car can get? Like, yeah, this is a great thing. Tipsy Coasters products are proudly handcrafted in the USA. Their premium limestone tiles are custom quarried and printed with high-resolution images that can be hand-washed without wear. Standard size fits most cup holders, proudly made in America. Daydream of a day at the beach, these super absorbent car coasters add flair to function with unique graphics and sayings. High tides, good vibes. Love that. Perfect for a Florida lifestyle too. I think we have one more item in here. And this is by Honeysuckle Essential Oil Goat Milk Lotion. This is made by Bates Family Farm, which is in Virginia and veteran owned. So that is what this sheet of paper came with. It talks about their farm, which is super cool. Here is what it looks like. And on the back it looks like they give their story. Let me read that. It says, our story, see what happens when a retired Marine and his lovely wife decide to start a goat farm and end up drowning in goat's milk. To find out more, visit BatesFamilyFarmLLC.com. Cool, and this is the honeysuckle scent. Let's see what this smells like. There's a safety seal, let me get that off. It smells good. And it's not like too overpowering of a scent. So I think people who are sensitive to that would still really like this. I like this a lot. I feel like I was talking to one of you and you said you love honeysuckle. I don't know what, were you talking about some kind of bath product? So I think you would like this, it smells good. So let's see what they say in the little pamphlet. So scent will vary. So I guess you could have gotten several different scents. I got honeysuckle obviously. It says it all began with a goat. Well, it began with a Marine, his lovely wife, and a therapy goat, to be precise. Oh. After 21 years of service to his country, it was time for Joseph Bates to retire. Weary from his time in the service and trying to overcome the medical issues that plagued him after 2 very trying battles with cancer, Joe decided to move his wife and kids to the Appalachian Mountains of Virginia and start a small farm. The goats, who are affectionately referred to as their kids, were originally purchased for Joe's therapy, but they had hopes for making cheese from the goat milk. While it may have seemed like a good idea at the time, goats multiply like rabbits and they created far more milk than was needed for cheese production. Rather than waste the milk, they set out to find other creative uses for it. Shannon began tinkering with different recipes for lotions and body butters, and once perfected, she took her creations to the local farmer's market. It wasn't long before they began getting repeat customers at the market, and that led to local stores carrying their products too. They'd sell out quickly and ask when they could expect more, and there began the business. Joe oversees the sales and marketing with a small trusted team, and Shannon is the production guru. Every single drop of goodness that comes out of this business has touched their hands first, and they put all the love in the world into it. That's great. This was such a nice box. I love, love, love learning the stories about the products, and I love even more that all the proceeds from October are going to Hurricane Dorian relief. I was not affected. Luckily, I live in Florida, and it was supposed to hit us, and I was very fortunate, but I know like the Bahamas were so devastated. Other areas were too, but especially the Bahamas. So I think this is so amazing. Like, props to them. Like, you are amazing. Good vibes, Scribe. But yeah, I will leave all the information down below if you guys are interested. But yeah, I really enjoyed this. So you guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.